Namaskar. Today I will dictate exercise 54 and I hope this will help the beginners, those who are trying to increase their speed. So, ready? Start. Exercise 54. Start. Local authorities, as borough and urban councils, generally derive their main revenue from the rates they levy. They may, of course, receive profits from any business carried on by them within the borough. Over and above all this, they receive allowances from the state. Either man or woman may appeal to the authorities, and they very often do, if they think they have been unfairly assessed. But it will be difficult for them to obtain relief unless they are able to probe their case and satisfy the authorities as to a supposed overcharged.